Hi, good evening. We're the next group from Studio Lin. My name is Lorenz, this is Denis, and this is Hugo. And we're working on the same theme of massive movement, but we were concentrating on a different aspect. We were interested in the building envelope of the biggest stadium and the transformation of a continuous surface or of a mass into a more fragmented object that does, or each of these fragments is going to do different things. And we're going to show mostly animations today because for this project it was very important to use animation techniques, both stop motion, physical stop motion and digital animation, not only as a means of representing the project, but also in a way as a design technique. So we're just going to show the animation now. And in terms of we were concentrating, as I said, on the main stadium, and the rest of the program we kind of dug into the ground to really concentrate on the main stadium and the movement, the transformation of the solid mass into a fragmented condition. And the idea was that these fragments of the building envelope would activate different parts of the stadium complex and create sort of an action envelope, is what we called it, that would create different spatial conditions. And what was also important for the project was an environmental was the environmental aspect, as we heard before. It's a very, very specific condition there, and what's a big problem for such a large outdoor space is how to cool it, or how to make it even possible to survive under such great heat. And we're going to see that a little later. But what you can see also is there's 3 different types of movements. There's a movement of the roof that during the day does something different than during a game. And here again you see the entire transformation period, which would be right before the game, where over a period of 2 hours you can see this movement happening. And back to what's happening during the day. During the day, these roof elements that are opening in kind of a vortex movement are going to act as heliostats. And what we can see in the back, it's not really that visible right now, is a tower that is going to be important for the energy concept. And I think that's the next thing we're going to see. Or is it not? No, it's coming up. Right.
Well, to explain the energy concept, this movement of the roof is, well, it's all an attraction, but also it reflects the sunlight to the collector tower, where energy is generated, and then it connects to the main stadium and powers these panels, these series of panels, which go through the structure. And through the structure also we inject cold air, so that these panels act like a fan and send this air under the bleachers. Also the swimming pools, which are situated underground, are covered with solar panels, which also help generate energy for the whole system. Yeah, this is a night rendering where it's dissolved. Thank you.